yeah, go about it politically, guys. Don't come smashing up the building because it's not what we want to promote. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Daredevil cameraman. Going into the pub living quarters now, guys. I'll give you a quick tour of what's inside. If you can get in safely. If you can't, mate, don't injure yourself.
That's alright, I'm gonna get in. Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Well, we have a bar. All the pumps, electrics. I'm sure all the copper's gone. You got glass smashed up. Fire extinguisher played with. You've got baggies, zip baggies, cupboards. Sure, you've got our friend Sonny. He's just sitting there. I don't know if you can see him. By the way, on deck. Got an attic. A few legs have been snapped off, but let me see if I can make root up. Oh, there's a few chairs. Oh, it's very interesting. This is the latest toilets. I'm guessing they've been smashed up. Yeah, they've been obliterated. Oh, you got back up again to the roof. Yes, it doesn't just... Yeah, we're well, brother, yeah! It doesn't... Don't sound like anyone's living, but people have definitely been here.
Yeah?
Yeah, there's a lot. I'm just nipping upstairs.
Yeah, come into the camera, bro.
I am doing. Yeah, we are en route upstairs. Again, there's